Join me as I take on the ultimate endurance training workout routine and push my limits like never before. If you're a fitness enthusiast, athlete, or just starting your fitness journey, you've probably heard about the power of endurance training workouts. Endurance training is one of the most effective ways to build stamina, increase cardiovascular endurance, boost energy, and improve athletic performance. Whether your goal is fat loss, muscle endurance, lasting energy, or full body conditioning, adding a structured endurance workout routine can transform your fitness results. One of the biggest challenges in improving endurance and stamina is a lack of motivation and consistency. Many give up early because results don't show immediately. Others struggle to start because there are countless endurance exercises, height workouts, and cardio methods, which can feel overwhelming. Some train too hard, too fast, leading to burnout, overtraining, or injury, while others don't push enough to see real progress. So what does an intense endurance training workout routine actually look like? It's a strategic blend of cardiovascular training, strength endurance exercises, and high-intensity interval training height. Movements like burpees, jump squats, and mountain climbers are highly effective for raising your heart rate, burning calories, and improving aerobic and anaerobic endurance. Proper form is essential. Engage your core, maintain good posture, control your breathing, and land softly to reduce injury risk and maximize performance. Another key principle of endurance training is progressive overload. This means gradually increasing workout intensity over time to continuously challenge your body and improve stamina. You can do this by increasing repetitions, adding resistance, extending workout duration, or reducing rest periods. Exercises such as hill sprints, stair climbing, and rowing workouts are powerful tools for boosting cardiovascular fitness while simultaneously strengthening your legs, core, and upper body. The most demanding part of any endurance program is the height portion. High-intensity interval training pushes your physical and mental limits, improving VO max, lung capacity, and mental toughness. This is where endurance gains accelerate and real transformation begins. While it's challenging, the results are worth it not just physically but mentally as well. You'll build discipline, resilience, and confidence that carry over into everyday life. To recap, this endurance training routine includes burpees, jump squats, mountain climbers, hill sprints, stair climbing, and rowing. Each movement targets different muscle groups while enhancing cardio endurance, muscle stamina, and overall fitness. When performed consistently and progressively, these exercises can elevate your endurance and energy levels. If you're serious about improving your stamina and endurance, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below with your favorite endurance workouts or cardio exercises, and let's build a strong fitness community together. And if you want to learn how to recover faster, prevent injuries, and train smarter, make sure to watch my next video on muscle recovery and endurance optimization techniques. Join and train smarter with Healthy Billion. Now,